Hey everyone, Dan from Stark here. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Stark to your Azure DevOps pipeline so that you can continuously monitor your repository for accessibility issues. In your Stark project, import an Azure DevOps repository. Follow the instructions to install Stark's extension in your Azure organization. Using the extension's instructions, create or edit your pipeline to add the Stark accessibility audit task. It will look something like this. Back in Stark, copy this token and save your integration. In your pipeline, paste the token right here where we need it, and then choose your URLs that you would want to scan within Azure. Save the pipeline. Now when you run your pipeline, Stark will scan your specified URLs on a server started up within Azure. Once your pipeline completes, you can see your scan results within Stark. You could stop here, or if you want to also be able to run your pipeline from within Stark, you can edit your project and populate the optional fields with your pipeline URL and a personal access token. Once you save that, you can scan from within Stark, and that will kick off your pipeline. And that's it. Thanks for watching.